Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Yamaha FJR1300 Sport Tourer. Inline 4-cylinder, beautiful condition, metallic blue paint scheme. This bike is going to make someone very happy. It's got heated electric grips, adjustable windshield, power takeoff, great tires, locking side cases. And this bike has a little secret. It's got 120,000 miles, but you will not believe it when you check it out. Runs beautifully. Come on by. $29.99 plus tax and license. There's no financing on this bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.